Hey everyone, I'm Xuhmbuddy and today we are invited to this Japanese restaurant, Yufuin. This restaurant I can say is one of the pioneer Japanese restaurant in this area. So before Japanese food was even a sensation, this place has been here ever since. So let's take a look inside. Wow, so aside from traditional Japanese food, they also serve yakinikus, in which you can grill your meat over here. It's a pretty nice experience also. So they also got these shoes of dining for a much more intimate experience for Japanese food. So let us first head inside the kitchen and let's see, chef prepared us some Japanese food. So we are lucky enough to be invited inside the kitchen to see. We got Chef Doc right here preparing us some sukiyaki for us. So sukiyaki is a traditional Japanese, I think some kind of broth with vegetables and meat. And then right here, Chef Alfred will show us how to make the tonkatsu. There are plenty of actions happening inside the kitchen. 2 stoves going on at once. And maybe in busy times, 4 stoves are going on at once. And then here we got Chef Doc right here. Our curry udon. Wow, now that's a lot of food. So let's start first with the curry udon. Wow. So we've seen how this curry udon was made inside the kitchen. And then now let's try it. So the udon noodles, very thick, very chewy. And then the curry flavor coats the entire noodle strand. And then every bite. Wow, the rich curry flavor. Next one, let's try the fried tonkatsu, the fried pork cutlet. We also seen how this one was made inside the kitchen. Amazing team inside, amazing chef. So thank you again, yakiniku. And then let's try the pork cutlet. Oh wow, thick pork cutlet. There's some kind of bite on this pork chop. Pretty juicy, very clean tasting. You can never go wrong with pork tonkatsu, ain't it? And then here we got the sukiyaki. Try sukiyaki. Try the noodles first. Wow. A little bit sweet, a little bit savory. This one is like teriyaki chicken in the broth style. It's very refreshing, very light, not heavy at all. And I think I can eat this one almost every day with some rice. So we also got some uni over here. And then just right behind me is the bar counter area, the bar area where they slice up the sushi rolls and then the sashimi. So fun. We got the uni. Let's try the uni. I mean, they are pretty small uni. Let's try it out. Wow, they're smooth, silky, creamy. So for those who haven't tried uni yet, uni is actually like fresh oyster, except that this one is much creamier, much silkier, much softer. And then we also got some salmon sashimi. Let's take it with some wasabi here. Salmon sashimi. It is what it is. Very good, very fresh, very clean tasting. And then the last dish that we got here is this crazy salmon roll. So you can see there's salmon filling inside. There's salmon on top with some fish eggs, some scallion, and then a dollop of mayonnaise. This one is a one biter. Mm. Wow. So still pretty good, but I would prefer that the rice will not be that mushy. Rather than that, everything is perfect. We got some smoky char also. I think they flambe with the torch. So wow, amazing. After tasting everything on our table, I can say that my favorite is this one, the sukiyaki. This one is just very simple, yet the flavor, the taste is, I don't know, it hits different. Oh, and then we also got some ice cream. I think it's complimentary ice cream from Yakiniku. So again, thank you very much. Again, huge thanks to Yufuin Yakiniku team for inviting us to your restaurant. And then I really enjoyed everything here. And then I'm not trying to be biased right now, but yeah, they really serve good food, good and delicious food. And what can you expect from a restaurant that has been open since the 90s? So they've been here for almost 30 years. And then yeah, food is great. People are also friendly. Hospitality is through the roof, very nice. Will I recommend this restaurant? Yeah, I can say I will highly recommend this restaurant. Any time of the day, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you again, Yufuin Yakiniku team, for this video. And I'll see you in the next food adventure. Bye-bye!